Hello, I'm Simon, and thank you for letting me tell you a little bit about PaTMa. PaTMa Property Manager is for landlords who want to conquer their finances and paperwork with minimal effort. PaTMa thinks like a landlord, using simple, real-world terms, and includes step-by-step processes. All features are fully integrated, streamlined, and efficient. There's no double entry. Everything is designed to be as fast as possible. Whether you prefer to click through the intuitive web-based interface or use the super quick access global search, PaTMa has you covered. PaTMa copes easily with the real-world complexities of property ownership, supporting property owned in personal names, however many names that might be, and property held in a company or even multiple companies. For personal tax, PaTMa provides everything you need to complete your SA 105 property pages. And looking forward, PaTMa's Making Tax Digital for Income Tax integration is in production and fully working, with customers already making quarterly submissions to HMRC. If you own rental properties and want to avoid mistakes and get through the paperwork as fast as possible, PaTMa Property Manager is for you.